How to find replaced files on Windows 10. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Control Panel. In Control Panel, click on System and Security. Then you'll find System. Click on System. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. On the right side, click on Remote Desktop, which is below Device Manager. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on System Restore. Click on Next. After that, click on any files you want and then press Next. And then click on Finish and it will restore your replaced files. And that's how you find replaced files on Windows 10. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.